We will evaluate a classic trigonometric limit using a fast visual cue. Evaluate the limit as x approaches 0 of open parenthesis 1 minus cosine x close parenthesis divided by x squared. Step 1. Use the half-angle identity. Cosine x equals 1 minus 2 sine squared of x over 2. Rearranging 1 minus cosine x equals 2 sine squared of x over 2. Step 2. Substitute this directly into the limit. Step 3. Factor out the constant 2 and think of sine squared as a square. Step 4. Match the famous limit sign, u over u, by letting u equal x over 2. Then sine of x over 2 divided by x equals 1/2 times sine u over u. Squaring gives 1/4 times sine u over u squared. Step 5. Use the standard limit. The limit as u approaches 0 of sine u over u equals 1. Therefore, our limit equals 2 times 1/4 times 1 squared, which simplifies to 1/2. Visual cue recap. 1 minus cosine x becomes 2 sine squared of x over 2. Then sine of x over 2 over x becomes 1/2 times sine u over u. The famous limit gives 1, and the constants multiply to 1/2.
Thank you for watching. Tap like, share, and comment, and then follow and subscribe for more quick problem solving tips. Let's make maths simple. One video at a time only on MyVerseNats.